Hi everyone, it's nice to see you. Thanks for stopping by. I'd like to ask you if you stand in a similar space as I do regarding the Supreme Court rulings of today, specifically birthright citizenship related. Today's Supreme Court ruling is their loudest public declaration that they refuse to exert their authority to halt unconstitutional enforcement of illegal actions. Not only are they refusing to hinder the unconstitutional actions, it's a complete rebuke of their oaths of office, and it also legitimizes and normalizes abhorrent behavior. Abhorrent actions by this administration, normalized and legitimized, and unacceptable. No consideration of the Constitution was included in this ruling. In fact, it's an abandonment of the Constitution. This isn't a system of justice, it's a system of servitude, and our nation is further weakened by it. Birthright isn't partisan, it's the Constitution. It's these things that we hold as inalienable, among other things that we'll certainly discuss at another time. Any attempt to rewrite or erase birthright is a betrayal of the rule of law. We've been told for far too long to endure the intolerable. We've been told to accept unconstitutional governance as just a fact of life, par for the course. And what are the origins of those phrases? We're told to accept the normalization of overreach, corruption, cruelty, and immorality as a political stunt. A political stunt to keep the peace. While havoc is wrought, our lives are scarred, and our rights are trampled and removed. No. I can't accept or tolerate it. I can't. And I'm asking you, if you stand in that same place with me, will you not accept unlawful rule masked in falsehoods, lies, and abuse? Will you stand with me in not accepting that? I'm asking you to talk to each other, coast to coast, Alaska to Florida, all lands, territories, historic allies. Rise and resist. Organize sit-ins in our courthouses, our city halls, our capitol buildings, our public spaces. Sit-ins are our nation's heritage. Peaceful, unshakable, morally unignorable. We must recognize that as we are protesting unlawful enforcement and unlawful governance, these are the things that must be expected and anticipated in response to their resistance. Our presence will speak when our systems refuse to listen. This may have begun at Woolworth's lunch counter, but now, from the very heart of the conscience of our nation, we must demand not only a seat, but a restoration of the table. Healing begins when we name the abuse, whether it comes from behind a closed door or a podium. Violence is violence, whether by language or action. Coercion is coercion, no matter what lever used. Identifying it is only the first part of the solution. The next part is to stop participating and contributing to it. Silence is violence, right? Do we remember the Mothers Against Drunk Driving movement in the 80s? When women rise, our nation moves forward. Sit-ins. They're a lot of fun. Beach balls, guitars, music. They're beautiful. Unignorable. Shut it down. Sit-in summer. The people's precedent. Love you. Hope you're safe. Protect each other. And I'll see you next time.